Mrs. Wong, we haven't been to Shenzhen to shop for a long time. Are you free to join me this Saturday? Shenzhen is not worth visiting nowadays. We can visit Macau instead. I miss all the things in Macau, especially the pork burger. That pork burger we tried in a Macau restaurant on our last visit was extraordinary. By the way, why do you say Shenzhen is not worth visiting? Although the general price level is rising, things are still cheaper there than in Hong Kong, aren't they? The renminbi is becoming more and more expensive relative to the US dollar, you know. Many shops in Shenzhen now don't accept Hong Kong dollars. And a Hong Kong dollar is now worth less than 0.9 yuan. That's true. Renminbi was undervalued in the past, a fact reflected by China's huge trade surplus. Life is hard, but we will still go to Macau this Saturday, won't we? Of course.
When the renminbi appreciates against the US dollar, will you be able to buy more or less US goods with the same amount of renminbi? According to Mrs. Wong, the US dollar is becoming cheaper relative to the renminbi. Do you know how and why the Hong Kong dollar is being affected?